In this video, you'll learn how to summarize Word documents using Kimi AI. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will be able to efficiently condense the content of your documents into concise summaries. Begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of Kimi AI, which features various options for document processing. Next, locate and click on the prompt area. This is usually a designated section where you can enter your commands or requests. After clicking, the interface may refresh slightly to indicate that it is ready for your input. After that, find and click on the plus icon, typically located near the prompt area. This icon allows you to add new elements or files to your current session. Once you click it, a new set of options will appear for you to choose from. Now, select the option labeled Attach Files. This choice will open a File Explorer window where you can browse your computer for the Word document you wish to summarize. Ensure that the document you choose is saved in a supported format such as. Once you've selected the appropriate file, click on the Open button in the File Explorer. This action will upload the document to Kimi AI. Be mindful that larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. After the file is uploaded, return to the prompt area and click on it again. This action prepares Kimi AI to receive your command for summarization. You should see a visual confirmation that the file is ready for processing. Now, type in your command to summarize the document. You can simply enter a prompt like summarize the doc to instruct Kimi AI to begin analyzing the content. This command should be clear and concise to ensure accurate processing. Finally, wait for Kimi AI to generate the summary. Depending on the length of your document and the current processing load, this may take a few moments. You will see a loading indicator or message confirming that the summary is being created. Once completed, the summary will be displayed for you to review. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.